Could be me right now. That's me. How we doing, guys? Welcome back to another video here from the sunny, beautiful Phuket today. We got sun, we got bluebird. It's been really nice all day. Clouds are coming in shortly, so I'm planning on escaping the clouds. We're heading north on the island towards Ban Tao on the beautiful roads going there on my GSX S750. Let's get on the way. Fingers crossed for minimal traffic, which usually is naive to wish for. Naive to wish for, at least in Phuket. Let's go. Man, look at this beautiful piece of land. Wow. If this ain't what you want, I don't know what you want to be riding in, what environment. Look at that, look at the fucking palms. That is just amazing, huh? Anyways, on today's ride, we're gonna head north, like I said, on Phuket Island towards Ban Tao. We got some beautiful roads, twisties as you would call them, Thailand style. Only difference, as you see all the traffic that's coming against me here, is that Phuket, unlike what you probably normally would classify as twisties, is very heavily trafficked. So fingers crossed that it won't be the case. I'm not necessarily one for driving super fast. I just really enjoy riding my bike. I like to feel torque. And yeah, okay, here we go. Let's see if I get stopped. It could be me right now. That's me. Sawadee krap.
Sawadee krap. Where you
Sawadee
from?
krap. Denmark. Denmark.
Copenhagen.
Huh? Copenhagen, yes. Copenhagen.
I have family in Copenhagen.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Married in Denmark.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. Well, I come here for the weather.
How long you been in Phuket?
On and off for many years, but I come here.
Thailand?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Muay Thai, yes, very good.
Yeah. I can show you. Wait a minute.
Okay. Okay, here we go.
I like Muay Thai.
Oh, yeah.
For me, training.
Oh, you do too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool, yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Have
Nice
a
to meet
good
you
day. You can try again.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good time.
You come for travel again?
Yes, I promise you. Yeah. See you. Bye-bye.
ครับ
Oh, wow. That's the first time I ever tried that. Whoa. That dude was nice. Wow. Well, what you saw right there is the best representation of, I don't know what to say. I'm a little bit shocked, guys, because normally, well, I'm not going to say anything negative, because obviously that was absolutely exemplary behavior. I can't even speak. I'm a little bit shocked, to be honest. Normally, it would have gone another way, but this guy was super nice, and I'm wondering, he didn't ask for my driver's license, he didn't ask for anything other than obviously sweet talk me. I do have a camera on my chin that is recording, and I wonder if they are instructed to spread good vibes. That being said, I am not going to take away anything from such nice behavior, because that is so welcomed, and what a pleasant experience that was. You guys can hear how like surprised I am, right? Wow, I was 100% sure that was gonna go another way. So yeah, here we continue. We're in the tropics, enjoying the twisties of Phuket, heading from Patong to Ban Tao. If we take the assumption that he just enjoyed talking to me, and because of that he sent me on my way, that could also be the case. I did notice that there was another guy in front of me here on the scooter. Not sure if you saw that, on a white scooter. They sent him on his way as well, I think, without checking much from him. So maybe they're just, you know, looking for people that seem intoxicated. Maybe that's what it is. Well, in which case I'm happy I don't come off as being drunk when I ride my big bike. Oh, I want to clear these fucking cars now. Make the move. Oof, if you don't like that sound, I don't know what will. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I want to take a moment just to appreciate the situation that is, the beautiful weather, this bike, you guys watching, and the fact that I'm in a beautiful country like Thailand right now, Phuket, Thailand. And it is a Friday. Things are just better on Fridays, right? Or is it just me? I don't really have time off in the weekends anyway, so, but it's just so deeply ingrained in me from my young days working as a labor worker. Like, Fridays were super special. Obviously, the weekend is coming right around the corner. And that's how I feel today. I'm out here just fucking living it, you know? If you're out there, well, I guess if you're watching this video, you like bikes, right? But if for some reason you're watching this video and you don't have a bike, you find your life stressful, find you running in loops, not getting anywhere, in need of a little bit of action in your life, fucking hell, man. Getting a bike will give you all of that. Just make sure that you treat it with respect, because it is dangerous. Start small. My first bike was a Kawasaki Ninja 400cc. Yep. From 91. That was an old bike. If I can find a picture, let me put it on the screen here. That right there is an old Kawasaki Ninja, green as hell. And that tail end you see was a modified tail end that we put on it myself, or ourselves. Well, one of my friends did. Shout out to Yannick. This is Honda CB 650F, I think that is. Anyways, I completely ruined that bike, taking it apart because I'm so curious. Learned my lesson there. Now, obviously, with this newer generation of bikes, not this one, the GSX is not very electronic in any way, but any newer gen bikes have so much electronics on them that you should probably just leave it to the professionals. But yeah, that's what you see in Phuket. If you look at those two people right there, two people on a big bike, no helmets, no nothing. That right there is exactly why so many people get hurt here. Because they're just out for a ride. But it's pretty fucking hard in a place like this where there more or less is no traffic rules. It's hard to not speed, right? Because you're just fucking enjoying yourself, huh? Having a great old time. And oftentimes these people are not just driving there because they're going down to 7-Eleven. They're doing it because they're fucking going out. Maybe they're going drinking, going to the beach club. Speaking of a beach club, Cafe Del Mar on the left side here, massively popular here in Phuket. If you're around going here on a summer day, yep, you'll have a fucking great time, I tell you that. Great old time. Look at all these hotels just being built everywhere. Unfortunately for Phuket, there's just too many people now. Tourism is taking over. I'm still thinking about that police officer. I'm a little bit shocked, to be honest. When you get pulled over, it's always like, oh, what now? You know? What did I do now? But this guy was a saint. He was an angel. He was a pal. I want to crack open a beer with him. Felt like my friend. So yeah, great experience there. And again, you can only think and wonder why that was. Was it the camera? Or were they just trying to find drunk people and he was chatting with me just to kind of see if I was intoxicated? Shook my hands twice. I've never had a police officer shake my hand. More the views. The views. The views. It is a lovely day. I hope you guys out there are kind of getting my positive vibes. It's rubbing off on you because I'm feeling it today. I'm feeling real good. It's not fake. I'm not being pretentious here. Just really enjoy riding my bike. Just fucking chatting shit to you guys. Oh wow, there's a football field here now. That's new. Interesting. Anyways, we're heading into a little more highly trafficked area, which is not very interesting to watch. So I think I'll end the video here, guys. Don't want to waste your life with boring footage like this, but I do highly appreciate that you guys have been watching. Whether that's 5, 10, 15, 20, or 1,000 people of you. Highly appreciate every one of you. And you better know that I'm watching all of you guys' videos as well. When I'm sitting at home and it's raining, I'm on YouTube. I'm watching all of it, you know. Just getting my fix. Oh wow, I did an upshift instead of downshift. Wow. That is definitely a sign that I need to fucking end this video now. I'm turning brain dead. So guys, appreciate you. Have a lovely day. And if it is a Friday and the sun is shining, have a fucking awesome weekend. Until the next one. Mwah.